Hey guys, it's like almost 12:30 in the morning, and I just woke up from like a 3 to 4 hour nap, and now I can't go back to sleep. Um, my Facebook keeps like reminding me to like post stuff and whatnot, and like I'm always like way busy with school and work, so like I really barely have time to post anything. And when I do like have time, I just want to sleep mostly. Sorry, I'm playing on my hair. It's like getting on my nerves. So yeah, but I cannot go to sleep, and I keep singing over and over this song called "Nightingale" by Demi Lovato. So I decided that I would just sing that since I keep singing it anyway. I might as well sing it and post it. So yeah, we'll see what you guys think. This is called "Nightingale" by Demi Lovato. It's off of her Demi album, the one she just came out with, the one that she's on tour for right now. So you guys should take a listen. It's really pretty, actually. The whole album's actually really nice. Actually, like the whole album. So, but yeah. So here it goes. I can't sleep tonight. I'm wide awake and so confused. See, everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace and me to sleep. Say you be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Need you to answer me. I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow. I don't know. I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, send me to sleep. Say you be my nightingale. I don't know what I'd do without you. Your voice is like a whisper come through. As long as you're with me here tonight, I'm good. Can you be my nightingale? Still so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me. I know you're there. 'Cause baby, you're my sanity. You bring me peace and me to sleep. Say you be a nightingale. Oh, ooh, Yep, that's my nightingale. yeah, hopefully I can go to sleep after this because I'm like actually really tired. But yeah, so comment, rate, subscribe, whatever. Peace, love, and